Right, hello everybody. Today I'm sort of dyeing some flowers. I just had a little play to see if I could get the right tone first. Okay, which I did. I like this. So then I'll tell you what I've used. They're silk flowers. Okay, because I want some ones to go with the journal. There's silk ones. Okay, I've got a few paper ones that are already blue. Got some paper ones here that are white, so which I thought they would look nice. Done. I've got these here. I thought I might use some of them, not all of them, because I'll keep some in case I need other colours at any time, something else. But I thought these would look nice coloured. Right, what I've got a very watered down purple, this, and it's mixed with the Lindy's. Okay, that is there, but that's quite watered down, okay, because it's quite faded, but it's not quite the right tone. And then I've got these dye-based inks that I've had a long time. I had a video on it. I can't remember where I got them now, but I got a stack of those. All right, because these are brilliant. So what I'm doing, I've found a nice tone, which is this one on top of that is perfect. All right, which is just about, yeah, that's a good tone when it goes on top of this pink. All right, so let's take some of those. Okay, so I would dip them in, right, like this. Okay, like that. Like I say, this is a bit light, yeah, but once we have this colour on the top, right, it's perfect. Right, so that a bit stronger in there. The re-inkers, the Tim Holtz re-inkers are brilliant for this sort of thing as well. I haven't got any in that colour. So it just depends. If they dry a bit light, then I will just go over them again, yeah. But I'm sort of liking that tone. So that is fine. So let's have a look, see what the paper one does. Okay. Paint on top of that. That's nice and dark. I'm going to do the stem as well. The paper ones work brilliantly. Look, more porous. So what's that doing? It gets it very wet as well. Before we apply that, so this one's half and half, I think. Yeah, chance to get all my flowers out. Let's go through them. So yeah, quick video. Thought I'd show you what I'm doing here. This is quite good for lace as well. Right, so shove them in there, nice and wet. You can use watered down acrylic paint as well. I've used that before on silk flowers and it's great. I've done all my wedding flowers years ago like that because I didn't like the tone of I bought a load of cheap silk flowers and then used like a vintage sort of colours, pink and something else, can't remember now, and they came out absolutely beautiful. And you got to wash your hands with this. It does stain, this one in here. What you can do too is when they're dry, you can go over with a bit of black, as long as it's not too watery, just so that they become quite patchy looking. It's quite nice. So. There we go. Okay. Yeah, nice colours. Yep, I'm going to keep some that colour because I think they coordinate lovely. So brilliant. Right, put that away, and what I'm going to do though is going to put that one at the top then, because I know that I've got that colour. So put that one at the top, and I won't put the top on until that's dry. Okay, keep that. There we go. Oh, this one should be enough in there to do that. There we go. I'll get them all dry now. And I'll do something with this background too. There we go. Oh, this one and two. Yeah, leave those. There we go. Okay. Well, that's how I do my flowers. Okay, thanks for watching then. Speak to you soon. Bye.